If you're in the market for life insurance, you need to stop scrolling. Did you know that the average life insurance company can legally take up to 6 months to pay out your family? And did you know the average life insurance agent doesn't last more than 90 days in the business? That's right. 92% of life insurance agents quit after 90 days. Is that somebody that you want to trust your family with? I don't think so. Folks, when your family needs your agent and the company the most, that's when it matters. So if you're looking for a life insurance policy, just remember it's 50% the carrier, 50% the agent. Don't just go for the cheapest price, bare bones, minimum, cheap life insurance from an agent that's not going to be here this time 90 days from now. You want to buy your life insurance from a trusted advisor that's been doing this for many, many years. Folks, my name is Nick Skordos. I have thousands of policyholders throughout all 50 states. I specialize in final expense, but not just any final expense, the best final expense that you can get. Hear me out just for one more minute. When you buy a life insurance policy, and God forbid you die, or your husband dies, or your wife dies, the last thing that you want to do is walk that life insurance policy into the funeral home. Because when the funeral home director sees it's worth 10, 15, 20,000, what do you think they're going to try to do? Let's use common sense. They're going to jack that price up. So instead, we offer something called the freedom of choice. That's what this is. The freedom of choice is phenomenal. It's like life insurance on steroids. Whenever you die, all your family has to do is walk this into the funeral home. Notice there's no denomination on the front page. And believe it or not, they can actually negotiate the cost of the price, the cost of the funeral down, or the cost of the cremation down using this powerful document. Folks, there's no other company that I know offers a freedom of choice. I should know. I work for 55 of the top life insurance companies out there. Even if you own life insurance, or if you don't own life insurance, you need to add a freedom of choice to your portfolio to ensure that your family's protected on the worst day of your life. If you would like to see if you would qualify and get a free quote for a freedom of choice, submit your information below. Either myself personally or someone from my team will reach out to you. It's worth 5 minutes of your time. Regardless if you qualify or not, you're going to get a free last will and testament just for meeting with one of us, valued between $500 to $1,000. Again, even if you don't qualify or even if you don't buy, you will still get a free, no cost will and testament. So submit your information below. Time is ticking. We've got to make sure that your family's protected ASAP. With that being said, y'all, God bless you, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.